Okay, so let's have a look at what we got. So daily chart as usual of the ES, and off the four, one up, two back, one up, two back, puts us in this three. So I'm still looking up towards 3016 next, providing we stay over support. So we've just come down the timescales, 4-hour chart, and what I think we have seen either at yesterday's low in the cash market, we made a fractional lower low today in pre-market and just came down and tapped that 1.0 fib for this micro degree 4. So I'm looking for this low here to hold and push us on up in the 5 next. The target for which is around the 2964 to 2973 area, and then another 4-5 to take us up to the target of just over 3000 for this 3 of 3 in the ES and S&P 500. And then just zoomed in, you'd see off the top of the 3, which was a hit on the 1618, we've got an A, B, C, and this is the lower low we've made in pre-market to just come down and tap that fib that we missed yesterday. Now that gave us an opportunity to grab a sneaky long this morning, and if I just show you the day trading chart, so we got a double tap down here on the blue line. I missed that, but I got it on the second go here. I've still got half of that position long in place. Got 6 points on the first half, which I'm hoping you all got, because I did post it and it was late enough for enough of you hopefully to have been around to pick up on that trade. And I'm just going to leave that, providing we stay above the lines here, and hope it turns into pretty much a trade that I can hold for the session today and maybe longer. But either way, it's bought and paid for and risk-free, so reasonably comfortable with that.